How to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Snapchat application, please visit your app store and search for Snapchat just to check if your Snapchat is up to date. If you have an Android, just search it up on Play Store, and if that says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date. Once you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open Snapchat over here. And let's click on our profile icon at the top left corner. And once we scroll down a bit under the friends section, this is where we can click on this My Friends option to see the list of our friends. So for example, if you want to get someone off your best friend list, you can just click on their profile. For example, I'm going to delete this certain friend. Just click on their name over here. Click on this three-dotted button at the top right corner. Click on Manage Friendship. And what we're going to do is to remove them as a friend. So removing them as a friend will also get them off your best friend list as well as the normal friends list. So there is actually no direct way to just remove them from the best friend list. So just click on Remove Friend over here and click on Remove once again. And that should delete that friend from your best friends list. And the next, another option is to stop sending them snaps for a while, and that will, Snapchat will automatically remove them from your best friends list on Snapchat. So that is how you can basically get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.